ask me why I sound like this, with a six-string growl and a hammer fist twist. Why I talk back when I should behave. Why I show up loud like I'm digging a grave. I say, son, I ain't here for your rules or permission. I was raised up proud on a rebel ignition. Cause I was born to raise hell, it's in my bones. Cranking Skinner loud on a rotary phone. My daddy drank whiskey, my granddad did too. So don't be surprised when I howl like a fool. I don't sit in silence, I don't play it small. This outlaw blood don't blend at all. You call it trouble, I call it tradition. I was born to raise hell, it's a family tradition.
Hey everybody, it's me, Dallas from Bovine Adventure, and we're currently on a deer chase, trying to catch up to the dogs, and we're getting to the deer, so let's go. Alright guys, so we got to our destination. We're right here with the dogs. We have to be very quiet. Right here. Everybody else. Let's get out. Shh. Shh. We gotta get out. I'm gonna get on top of the dog box so it can be easy. You guys can see. Alright guys, we just left that spot right there because the deer turned. So now we're about to go back to a different spot and see if we can catch up to the deer there. You guys, this is my favorite thing about deer hunting, is like so fast.
We about to have action.
Alright, it's action time, guys. We just turned down the road. Alright. Let me show y'all the remote TV. I'm fine. No, I said don't follow the deer. If we keep following the deer, comes out the deer. And let me tell you something. So if they're running a buck, the buck is gonna run and go to a herd of does, startle all the does up, and push all the does out. Once they push the does out and the does are finished getting killed or whatever, then the buck comes out. But let me not tell you how also they smart. Last the guy who invited us here to come and hunt it, he said that he was the person who shot, and he said that he got the deer. But now we have to go and catch the dog. I am. I did it. Dead deer. We are.